Should we wait for this or this? Now, Samsung released the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge a few days ago. There has been a lot of talks about the iPhone 17 that Apple is going to be releasing very soon. This is AB Tech. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I drop content like this on regular basis. Now, the first thing that Samsung said when they released this phone is the slimmest phone ever, and which is true because this phone thickness is 5.8 millimeter, while the rumored iPhone 17's thickness is 5.5 millimeter. But the good thing with the Galaxy Edge is that it weighed 163 grams. But nobody has known anything about how much weight will the iPhone 17 come with. And the material used for the Edge is the titanium frame, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. And for the iPhone, it's still going to come with the titanium aluminum alloyed frame. But the good thing about these two devices is that both of them are coming with IP68 rating, dust and water resistant. But where there is a lot of disparity about these two devices is in their display. So the screen size on the Galaxy Edge is 6.7 inches, while the iPhone 17 is going to be 6.6 inches. So meaning the Galaxy Edge is far better when it comes to the screen size. And they also come with 120Hz refresh rate. But the Edge comes with 2600 nit brightness, while the iPhone 17 come with 2000 nits of brightness. So on the camera department, the S25 Edge come with 200 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel ultra. Then the selfie camera is still 12 megapixel, while the iPhone 17 will come with 48 megapixel wide and 24 megapixel selfie camera. So on the camera department, the 25 Edge edged out the iPhone 17 performance and the hardware. 25 Edge come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is the best chipset that any phone can have now, especially the Android device. And rumor have it that the iPhone 17 is going to come with the A19 chipset, but not the A19 Pro chipset. So at this point, I think Samsung got it right. Both of the devices will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage for the both devices. And for the operating system, the Edge 25 is going to come with Android 15 with Galaxy AI, while the iPhone 17 is going to come with iOS 19 with Apple Intelligence, which is expected. So, but one factor that is going to really separate these two devices is the battery, because the 25 Edge battery came with 3900 milliamp hours of battery, though nothing has been said about the iPhone 17 but we all know that the slimmer the device, the smaller the battery capacity, because of course the battery needs space for it to be able to have larger capacity. So these are the two comparisons about these two slim devices that is going to shape the future of smartphone in years to come. So for me, I will really suggest that from every indication, this Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is going to outperform iPhone 17 Air. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment where you are watching from. See you in my next video. Peace out.